Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today I have NUCYPHER new daily update, and of course guys, thank you for watching. We will see a realistic price prediction and technical analysis. If you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button to turn all the notifications on guys, and share. You get notified every day with my daily updates. I haven't missed one day so far, but maybe I'm going to miss 1, 2, 3 days. I will let you know. Honestly guys, I will let you know. You can join our Telegram group chat. I have the link in the description down below. So I started my Fibonacci retracement down from this bottom to this top. Reason is I want to find major support levels. Here we are, 36 cents, the 0.5. You can see why it is such an important support level. You can see it was support level back then, here resistance level here, and of course 27th May resistance level, also resistance level 3rd June. Then we went upwards. Now we are going back down and we want to maintain this support level. In case we drop down, then we go to 0.618. For sure, for right now we are good. The MACD looks good. If we go beyond this line in the 4-hour frame, if we go beyond the previous low here, we are going a little bit further down. This won't be good as well, but it's okay guys. Even if we go down, we will see what we will do. But I just for our own good guys, I think that we should make a recross here, a bullish recross, and go upwards. I don't want it to go downwards, because on the 4-hour frame we want just to be making higher lows, and of course higher highs, as you can see here. So going beyond the previous high, the previous low, is like losing a major support level for the MACD in the 4-hour frame. Let's go to NUCYPHER against USDT in the RSI. In the RSI, you can see it is between 30 and 70 inside this purple area. We are going down. The thing is, can we go further down from this low? I want to trust that we can, but if we go, this will be a bad situation as well. We want to maintain, and of course for the commodity channel index, you can see we are approaching below minus 100. Therefore, that's why I believe we won't be reaching the 40 RSI. We will be stopping at around 45, maybe 44, 43, around there. Then we will go upwards, because the commodity channel index is approaching. It is not now beyond minus 100, but it is approaching the minus 100 and beyond. From the time that it is approaching the minus 100 guys, we are having an oversold situation, therefore a buying opportunity as well. So let's go now to NUCYPHER against USD in the daily frame. You can see that we approached the top line of the Bollinger Bands. I told you back in the day, be careful, we will correct. We are correcting right now because commodity channel index was above the 100. And of course guys, for the daily frame though, we have something good, right? We have the MACD going upwards. We have the bullish cross here. What we hope for is to keep going upwards, not have a bearish cross here, because this would mean that we are actually falling down. But right now we are looking good, except if we see an angle like this, then we will be probably going down. Maybe it is not the case, maybe we are going upwards again, but I'm just saying that right now it looks good guys for the midterm. So let's see a bit about the RSI. We saw here that it is between 30 and 70. We are in the middle, and of course for the commodity channel index for NUCYPHER against USD, we had an overbought situation. Now we are going downwards. What I've told you multiple times before is that we need to do something like this. We see this in an impulsive way. For example, when we are going up fast, then we are seeing this this action here for the commodity channel index. If we are going to go down more, then we will see the line going down more, approaching the minus 100. Okay, so for now we don't have any oversold or any overbought situation. What we hope for is to stop here, for example, and go back upwards. We want to stop here on the previous low, and so we can go further above in the 4-hour frame. Let's go to NUCYPHER against Bitcoin guys to see some things here. First of all, here we lost our 0.5. It is NUCYPHER against Bitcoin looks worse than NUCYPHER against USDT, and that is a little bit frustrating, because I would like it to outperform Bitcoin and be have a better chart than NUCYPHER against USD. But for now, we might go to 0.5092, the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, because guys, we are approaching the commodity channel index being below minus 100, but not because that for that guys, but because we lost the 0.5 support Fibonacci retracement level. But there is a very nice opportunity and big opportunity that we stop at 50-day EMA on the 4-hour frame because the commodity channel index is approaching the minus 100, and therefore we might find support here and go upwards. The thing is, if this swing high can be more and we can retest the 0.04011 guys. I am not sure about that, we will see, but I don't think that we will be going like this. I believe that we might see a pump up, then a drop down to the 0.618. I think we might, even if we see a swing high here, we will go to the 0.5092 around there. The RSI is between 30 and 70, not an oversold situation, but what we look for is the commodity channel index guys. Always have those index compared with each other. It's very important for sure. Okay, so now we can go to the daily frame. On the daily frame we are looking good. Okay, we are looking good because we had a bullish cross. However, we want to keep going upwards. We don't want eventually this to be a top and then going all the way down. For the MACD, you can see we are looking good. We have gone upwards for NUCYPHER against Bitcoin on the daily frame, and now we have gone back downwards to our high here, commodity channel index, but we are inside this gray area, so we don't have any overbought situation or any oversold situation. Same here for the RSI, for the relative strength index. We don't have something like we can call, okay, we have an overbought situation, therefore we are going down. Okay, so everything is looking fine for now in the daily frame. The thing is that I don't like the 4-hour frame because we might reapproach the NUCYPHER against Bitcoin to the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. I wouldn't want that. I would like if we can stop above this swing high here and of course maintain our level of support, then we can go upwards again. We will see about that though, because we are approaching the commodity channel index being over beyond minus 100. I don't want the commodity channel index to fall below this particular line right here. Let me do it with this one tool so you can see it more clearly. It has to be more horizontal. We don't want to get below the support level at all. Okay, we don't want to get below the support level at all, because that would mean we might lose some major support level and we will lose the 50-day EMAS or support level which we are looking forward to have. Okay, so NUCYPHER against USD. Where are we in the 4-hour frame? We are on the 50-day EMA, which 50-day EMA is upon the 0.5, this price label right here guys, 36 cents, a very crucial support level. Losing this, then we go probably to 32 cents. Okay, so we don't want to lose this, otherwise we are going down. But the good thing is here we are approaching the minus 100. The good thing is here for the Bitcoin against Bitcoin we are approaching the minus 100 as well, so we might see a reversal here soon. That's what we want to see. We want to retest now the 39 cents. Okay, we want to retest and go above this price level right here, and especially guys this one line in between those Fibonacci retracement lines, we want to surpass the 38 cents. And of course, as we go further above afterwards, we will see about it. Right now we need to be careful and not reinvest right now here. If you are a new investor guys, I would suggest you that you should wait a little bit. Don't FOMO in your money right now, just wait. Let's see what we will do. A new 4-hour form candle here, a new 4-hour frame candle formed. As you can see, we just began the new 4 hours, and we will see if we can maintain the 50-day EMA. Possibly we want to just maintain this and go above. We want just to go above. If we see a red candle and falling down beyond the 50-day EMA, this will be bad for our NUCYPHER against USD. Let's go now to Bitcoin against USD to see some important things. First of all guys, there is a high possibility that we see a swing high towards the 38,000 USD around there. Okay, if we see this, then a lot of the altcoins will move upwards, but okay, it's not something significant. However, what we want to see is surpassing the 39,000 USD. If we do that, then we can manage to go upwards even higher to 42,000 USDT. This will be an incredible swing high, But in overall, guys, you know my opinion on this. Even if we see a swing high, we get down, we get further down to 26,000 to 28,000 USDT. So for now, guys, okay, we have to be a little bit careful. Sometimes things need patience, guys, because patience is a virtue to success, especially, guys, in the cryptocurrency market, where there is a high volatility going on and we see prices pumping up 50%, going down 50% just one day, and maybe more. There are many examples that we have seen pump ups but crash downs as well. So we have to be prepared not only for the pump ups, guys, but for the corrections. We have to be prepared for everything in the cryptocurrency market. That's how the market works. And of course, many altcoins follow the Bitcoin trend. That's why for now, in these difficult days, I have the Bitcoin chart, because we are not in a bullish scenario like we were before. We now have to be careful, okay? Before, we were not seeing the Bitcoin chart because we knew that we are going upwards. Right afterwards, with a week of distribution, guys, and how the price worked here, you can see how the top line was getting more horizontal. Week of distribution, we went down, and you can see that now we have to be a little bit careful. I know there are many debates about how, if this is the bottom here, now we are going to retest some new higher high for Bitcoin, if we are going all the way down again. I personally believe, guys, that even if we see a swing high, we will just correct even more. That's my opinion, though. You don't have to follow it, guys. You just want to have your own opinion, and of course I'm here, guys, to guide you through the videos and the technical analysis. So for now, be careful a little bit. If we see the Bitcoin going above the 39,000 USDT, then we are all fine. For NUCYPHER against USD now, we want to maintain the 50-day EMA. I would suggest you to wait a little bit, even though we are near the minus 100, and it is very, very possible to see a pump up here for NUCYPHER. Just wait a little bit till we see the price action. The good news is that for now, okay, NUCYPHER against Bitcoin is approaching the minus 100, and of course you can see that NUCYPHER against USD, the MACD daily, it is looking good, guys, the MACD daily, and now we are not near the top line of the Bollinger Bands. However, we need to wait and see, because, guys, on NUCYPHER against Bitcoin, the daily frame, we had an overbought situation. We are not going down, but we want to see where we will stop. Eventually, we stop further down, then we will correct even more. And for now, it seems like a very, very reasonable price action for NUCYPHER against Bitcoin on the daily frame, and on the 4-hour frame, of course, would be to go to 0.618. Okay, so we have to be careful for NUCYPHER against USD. If we see a very quick pump up, then okay, but now just be careful, guys, because we saw the impulsive wave due to the Binance listing. But now, of course, this helped us a lot, because we saw a reversal to the trend, and of course we want to be having higher lows and higher highs. Eventually, we don't want to be scared. Only we will be scared if we lose the 32 cents. For now, we don't want to be scared, and I don't want to scare you. If you've bought here, guys, it's all right. It's all right. There is a lot of positivity going on for NUCYPHER, and in my opinion, we will get there. But for now, you need to be patient. If you've bought here, don't sell your position. In my opinion, guys, you should not sell your position when you are in a loss. Okay. So for now, be prepared for everything. But if we don't lose the EMA support level, if we don't lose the 36 cents around there, we are still absolutely fine. We have to worry about anything. For those who bought at the top, be patient, and better days will come for sure. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many, many more videos. Bye.